Alright, we're back to this MS261, and there are two little rubber mounts that mount on either side of this. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace them with new ones. And it's really not all that difficult. You just kind of get them started there. And you take your pick. You just grab that piece of rubber with the pick and pull her on through. As soon as I get her on down in there where I can grab it. Really need to get me another pick because that one is broke. I done killed that one. You can probably do it a piece of wire too, but I'm not going to use that wire. Let's see here if I can find me another pick. It's not broke. Yep, found one that's not broke yet. Just go up underneath of it, and there is, in the bottom of these, there is a little hole there, and you can hook that hole. Do not promote lubing these or anything, because that would probably not work out the grandest. And it'd probably help if I took all this stuff off, but I ain't going to. Because in typical JK Saw Shop fashion, we do everything the hard way. With what limited tools we have available. So I've actually got that one in, and you can't see where I hooked it and brought it in, but she's in. So I'm gonna go to the other side, do the same thing. And yes, the kill switch is not in either. I'm gonna take that, hook that, run this pick up in there and grab the edge of that rubber. And we're just gonna pop her on down in here too. And on this one, I think I might just poke at it a little bit in here. There we go. I got enough come through now, I can grab it. Do believe. Just pull her down. So now the AVs are installed. So our next step now is just pull these dudes over and just hook them over the tab. Them being new, they a little bit more stubborn. And now, like he said, he wanted the new AVs put on back here, so we're gonna give them to him. And we should have that one on now. All right. Now, we got the old kill switch. The other one was so wore out that the choke linkage wouldn't stay in. So, we changing it too. And apparently they have changed the whole design on this thing. Yeah, same lever, Except now everything stays on this one side instead of going all the way through. It ain't no problem. Ain't nothing but a step for a stepper, so we ain't gonna let that bother us. Not here. And your little metal tab goes up above inside of this dude. And we just snap her on there. Choke works. Kill switch works. And this is a M-tronic variety. Fast idle, run, and then off. This thing's a little bit dirty and a little bit oily around where the filter goes on, so we're just gonna clean that dude up a little bit before we cram that filter back on here. And probably take, we're gonna wipe out the inner loop of the fifth seal of this filter too. We'll set her on there and twist her down, and we get that recoil handle in the right spot, we'll be in really good shape. There we go. And there we go. We'll see. We'll do a little function test on her here and see what happens. So we're going to set her down here to choke. Hoping it's got gas in it, and it probably don't. Ah, it does. It's full. There she went. She popped that time. Fast idles. Not quite working like I think it should. We may do the restart on this thing. She don't act like she's getting full throttle at all. We're gonna open her back up and see why she's not getting full throttle. Because I can't send that back if it ain't opening up. Yeah, I can't send this thing back if it's not getting full throttle. There ain't no way. There ain't no way this thing can go back if it's not getting what it's supposed to be doing. So we'll pop the handle off here. You ain't got 2 tabs on it. And we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty to why this thing ain't opening up. Now, she ain't getting nowhere near what she ought to be getting for full throttle. Yeah, we don't need that shit in here right now. Ah, that's because that rod's come out of the holder that it goes in. This is about to be interesting. Alright, I gotta hold her up so I can get this rod put in where it belongs. Yeah, get my big finger in here so it... I'm gonna hook that rod with my pick, and we're going to have to bring her up over and set her off in that groove. That'd be a absolute reason why it will not open up. Alright, hook that thing. Alright, she went in the groove. Now she should be, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's it right there. Now, I'm gonna say that come out when it was having all those issues with the AV. So now she should open up. So we're going to put her back together. Now when I start it, it should run like normal. Yeah, it's a Stihl MS261, and it actually opens up now, and I'm quite content with it. I'm ready for it to go back home now.